guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be solving a 3x3 Rubik's Cube and it's fast. Yep, and I'm going to show you 4 tricks I can do. First is a checkerboard. That's what it looks like. Blue, green, blue, green, blue, green, blue, green, blue. And same on the other sides. Okay, I'm going to show you the one layer now. This is what it looks like. One color in each middle. Now I'll just say that again. Oh, oops. Oopsie daisy. Okay, now I'm going to show you one of the algorithms. You go left, down, 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 left, down. Okay, and I'm going to show you the last algorithm. You go up, right, down, left, 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 up, right, down, left. Did all my tricks. Thank you for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. See you next time.